Welcome back, and in this video I will be recreating my video that I did on the Yao Women's rice water recipe, but this time with some updates to what I do now. So here's a list of the ingredients. You'll need some white rice, green tea, 100% green tea, an essential oil of your choice, and then a pomelo. So we are going to start off by washing the rice. So you're just going to section out the rice that you want to use into a container, put the rice in, and then you're going to use the tips of your fingers to clean the rice as thoroughly as possible. And you'll see in this video that I do this process twice. So I'm just trying to get out all the dirt, and then this is how it comes a bit clearer, and then I'm just cleaning it once again just to make sure that any of the starch or impurities are kind of removed from the rice. And then what you're going to do is you are going to go back in, and you're going to keep this water this time, and you're going to spend about 5 to 10 minutes really just moving the rice between the palms of your hands, or even you can use a pestle and mortar. I'm actually not sure which part of the process that is, but yeah, just to grind and really make sure you're getting all the nutrients out the rice. And then you're going to pour this into a pot. So the next stage in this process is to peel the pomelo, and this is what the Yao women use to get rid of that horrible smell that can come from fermented rice water. Now this recipe is left for a week to a month in a cool cupboard, so it can smell over time. So this is what they use basically to combat that smell. So what you want to do is just to peel the pomelo. Now you can see that I am struggling, and if you're not sure on what a pomelo is, it's basically like a grapefruit, but the texture is quite different of the outside. It's quite spongy and squishy, which you'll see. Yeah, in this process I'm just adding all of the peel to the pot with the rice water liquid, and then I've just included some footage of how the inside of it looks. Just for those who are not familiar with pomelos, or it's not readily available to you, it's literally a grapefruit, but for me it's like the perfect grapefruit because it tastes sweet. It tastes like a mixture between an orange and a grapefruit. So it still has the same flavor of the grapefruit, but it's a lot more sweeter, which I love. So the next step is to boil the rice water, and in this recipe, I have switched out the tree bran and the ginger root, which I would use, I just didn't have it available, as well as the green tea. But this is really, really good for your hair. It has 11 vitamins in green tea, and this really does promote hair growth. So you just want to add that to your rice water mixture, and you want to make sure that it is 100% green tea and there's nothing else in it. You then want to add your essential oil. So this can be really whatever essential oil you choose. I normally use lavender or peppermint as well. And then bring that to a boil. And once it started boiling properly and it's been on for about 3 to 5 minutes, then turn it off and let it cool down completely before adding it to your jar. Now this is the glass jar that I had available to me at this time. A normal glass jar will do. This was just a long glass bottle that I had, and obviously you want to make sure that it is well cooled so that you are not gonna smash the glass. Depending on how much space you have in the jar is how much of the peel you will add, and you can also add the tea bag in there. Mine split, which is fine. When I go to use it, I'll just make sure that I sieve it before I use it. And then this is the complete rice water. You want to make sure that it's as airtight as possible. So I've pressed my cork in properly, but if you have a lid, you'll just secure the lid. And then you want to place this in a cupboard that doesn't get too much sunlight and store it away until you need to use it. Like I said, try to leave it for about a week to a month, and then you just want to rinse it on your wash day once a week. Thank you for watching.